Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the house. There's the car. Pare, tingin ng konti, pare. Yun, kaway, kaway. Okay, that's my kumpadre. Papasok tayo sa loob. Ito bahay ni Billy Joe. Yan kotse niya. Yan si Blackie, oh. Blackie. Saka yung van. Okay. Ito po yung gate, papasok. Makita nyo yung pinto. Entrance pa lang. Ayan yung taas. Ayan po, ayan. Ito po yung entrance. Pagpasok nyo po ng entrance, right side, kitchen. There's the guy. That's kitchen. There's the guy. There's the kitchen. There's the center table, dining. That's the center table. There's the food. There's the karaoke room. Upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Yan po yung second floor. Mapanig po tayo. Room dito. Dalawang room. Entrance po, isang uling room. Isang uling room. Isang room. Sa second floor po yan. Meron pong bilyaran. So, nasa second floor na po tayo. Yan po yung billiard table nila. Second floor, and there's the pool. There. There's the pool. So, nakado ulit tayo. Swing po rito. This pool. May mga lovebirds po dito eh. Yung mga lovebirds yun. Lovebirds din. Yung mga lovebirds. And that's all, guys. Happy birthday.